322 multiplied by 121.
It's taken me a while to calculate math question.
It's take 1 minute and 9 seconds to solve this question.
I want to find simple tricks to calculate fast with only using power of my brain.
And I want to be a better and faster. So this week I decided to learn calculate fast. I'm so weak in a math.
I try to find easy and fascinating tricks to solve math questions simple and fast. The first trick is to multiply a two-digit number, and when I try it, it works super fast.
Yeah, it's worked. The method is simple.
Let's try, for example, 31 by 22. First, you need to multiply first digits of the number and write the result on the right side. Then we leave a blank space after that. To find last number of the answer, simply multiply the last digits of the number and write it after a blank space. Now we need to find the number in a blank space. Simply, you need to multiply numbers in the middle, then multiply external numbers, sum the both result, and like magic, it's our middle number and we got our answer. But after that, I realized there are a different situation I face when I solve two-number multiplication. For example, if the middle number is a higher than 10, the last digit going to the blank space and first digit added to the first digit of the result. But there is more cases I face in these tricks. For example, 82 by 95, 8 by 9, 72, 2 by 5, 10. In this case, we have no blank space and it's 4 digit already, which is the maximum amount of digits you can have by multiplying two numbers with 2 digits.
So what should I do?
Simply, we need to follow the previous step. 2 by 9, 18, 8 by 5, 40, and we get 58. Now we have no blank space. Simply add 58 to the starting from the second last number, 8 into 1 and 5 into 2, and the final result is 7,790.
This is so easy and it's work every time.
If you face 3-digit case, simply follow same step. Add third number starting from the second last digit, like in this 3-digit case. 4 added into 5, 1 added into 6, and the last one added into 5.
This is so simple and fascinating.
In the beginning, I was little slow, but then after little practice, I became a calculator.
Really, sir?
It's take me 22.8 seconds to solve 74 by 83.
Yeah, it's 22.8 seconds. This is great.
And for a smaller number like 42 by 23, it's take me about 8 seconds to solve it. But what if we face a bigger number, like 3-digit number? I found a great and amazing method which is called Japanese method to solve bigger number. It represents number through lines. Take a pen and ruler.
I lost my ruler, so I use my phone as a ruler.
Let's try, for example, 312 multiplied by 32. Draw lines for the first number, which is 312. First draw hundreds, 3 lines here, tens, 1 line here, and units, 2 lines here. Make sure to give space between lines. Now draw lines for the second number, which is 32. Draw to the opposite side. First number is 3, 3 lines here, and the second number is 2, 2 lines here. Then divide graph for a segment. Every segment start from right to left. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and so on. And count how many times the line cross in each segment. And then we got our answer, which is 9,984. And it's perfect. This is really cool, by the way. Now I try with the next number. I follow the previous step same to same, then I count how many times line cross in each segment. If you get number higher than 10 in any segment, simply add a first digit into a previous number. Like in this case, 16 becomes 6, 1 added into 16, and it's become 17. Then again 1 added into 8, 17 becomes 7, and 8 becomes 9, and we got our answer. I checked my answer with a calculator and it's correct every time. So I try with a more bigger number. This method is so amazing and works super fast.
If you face the situation like in this case, we have 0 in our number. 302 multiplied by 120.
0 represents 1 line. Draw 3 lines. Now it's 0, so we draw 1 line. And for 2, draw 2 lines. And draw the lines for the next number, same as before. But when you count line in each segment, don't count the 0 line, which is crossed with other digit line. Simply write 0. Like this.
If every time you see a 0 in a number, simply draw 1 line for each 0.
Now our answer is 36,240. I draw this chart for you that you can understand to get the final result. This method is not easy in a starting, but with a practice, it's become so simple and easy. Trick for addition is so simple. For example, 321 plus 213. Write it up and down like this and start from the right. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 2, 5. This is our answer.
Now let's take big number.
Every time when you get bigger number than 10, just move the first digit to the previous one and add it. Like for example, in this big numbers, 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 added into 7, it's become 8. Now 8 plus 5, 13, again 1 added into 2, 3 plus 4, 7. And the last one is 3 plus 2 is 5, and this is our answer. For subtraction, I found 2 tricks and both are really cool. The first trick is borrow digit trick. For example, 231 minus from 443. Starting from right to left. 1 minus from 3 remaining 2. 3 minus from 4 remaining 1. And 2 minus from 4 remaining 2. And our answer is 212. But we not borrow any digit in this case because we don't need it. In the next number, we need borrow digit. For example, 5640 minus from 6321. 0 minus from 1 is 1. 4 cannot minus from 2. So we borrow one number from the next digit, which is 3. So 3 become 2. Wait, 1 borrow plus 2 is 3. No, in a borrow, 1 represents 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. And now 4 minus from 12 is 8. 6 can't minus from 2. So again, we borrow 1 from 6. So 6 minus from 12 is 6. And 5 minus 5, so 0. That is our answer. This is so easy. The second case is 31,222 minus from 50,123. 2 minus from 3 is 1. 2 minus from 2 is 0. 2 can't minus from 1, so we borrow digit. But the next number is 0. Oh, that is a problem. We can't borrow from 0. In this case, simply borrow from the another next digit and combine it. So the next digit is 5, but this time borrow digit come from the next 2 digit, which is 50. So 50 become 49 and 1 become 11. 2 minus from 11 is 9 and 1 minus from 9 is 8. And the last one, 3 minus from 4 is 1. And that's it. Every time you need a borrow digit and you see 0, just simply see another next digit, combine it and borrow from it. If again 0, then see another next digit and so on. Like in this question, we have 2 0, so we borrow from the third one, which is 6. So combine it, it's 600, and after borrow 1, it becomes 599. And it's simple. The second subtraction trick is counting up method. For example, 224 minus from 643. With this trick, we count up the subtract number, which is 224. We count upward this number till it reach same as the highest number, which is 643. First add ones, then tens, then 100, and so on. First add ones. 6 plus 224 is 230. Now add tens. 70 plus 230 is 300. Now we add 100, and this is the last number because the higher number is 100. So 343 plus 300 is 643. Now both number equal. Now sum all those number which we got after counting up, and this is our answer. This method is also easy but lengthy, and I like the borrow method. Alright guys, the last trick is for division. One of the hardest thing. I searched 3 days to find the easiest trick for division, and I found it. This division trick called divide number digit by digit. Division is not simple. You must remember the table. If you remember table, you will easily solve any division number. First, let's divide big number with a small number. For example, 260 divided by 9. Write divisor outside and division in the box, and this is the answer section. It's called long division form. The first digit is 2. 2 is smaller than 9. In this case, we divide first 2 digits, which is 26. So how many 9 take 26? Or almost 26. We see in the table, so 9 2 times 18. If we take a 3 time, it's greater than 26. So 2 come to answer section and 18 right under 26. So 18 minus from 26 is 8. Now let's divide the next number, which is 0. So 0 down to the 8, and it's become 80. Now again see the table. So 9 8 times 72, and 72 minus from 80 is again 8. And that's it. 28 is our answer because we have no other digit in the division. But there is one thing I tell you. 28 is our quotient. If you want reminder in your answer, simply add point after quotient. So I add point after 28, and when you add point, you must add 0 after last number, which is 8 in this case. So 8 become 80. Now again see the table. 9 8 times 72. 8 goes to the reminder and answer section after a point. 72 minus from 80 is 8. Again repeat the same process. Add 0, it's become 80, and 9 8 times 72. I only need 2 digit in my reminder, so my answer is 28.88. If you need more digit in reminder, just repeat the same adding 0 step again
and again. But one thing remember, every time you divide any number, you must start table from 0.
Why? Let's take a look this division case. 1428 divided by 14. 14 one time 14 after subtraction remaining 0. And 14 two time 28. Is this the right way? No, this is completely wrong way. That's why you start table from 0 and solve division digit by digit. 14 one time 14, 0 remain 2 down. 14 0 times 0, 2 remain, 8 down, and 14 2 times 28. That's it. This is the right way.
Alright, so let's divide small number with big number.
For example, 40 divided by 150. When divisor is big and dividend is small, we divide full dividend number at once. So how many 150 equal or less than 40? No one. So 150 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 0 minus from 40 is 40. Now no digit left in dividend, so add decimal point after 0 in answer section. And when we add point, we add 0 after 40. 40 become 400. So 150 2 times 300. After subtract from 400, it's remaining 100. Add 0 after 100. So 100 become 1000. So 150 6 times 900. That's it. 0.26 is our answer.
I know division is really hard, but with practice, it's become nothing. I also found another easy division trick, which is used for large number.
For example, 52,416 divided by 84, right? Same as it is in log division. It is hard to remember a big number table, so in this trick, we forget
Last divisor digit,
like in this case 4, and divide it only with 8 and write the remaining 4 here.
But what do we do with 4? We talk later about remaining 4.
5 is less than 8, so we divide first 2 digit 52. 8 6 times 48. 48 subtracting from 52 is remaining 4. Now 4 is less than 8, so we see the next number in dividend, which is 4, and drop down to the remaining 4. 4 become 44.
Now it's time to talk about our remaining digit, which is 4.
When every time drop down number from dividend, simply multiply last digit in answer with the remaining digit. So in this case 6 is the last digit in answer section so far. Multiply with the remaining 4, it's 24. Right under 44. Now subtract it, it's remaining 20. Now repeat the previous step. 8 2 times 16. 16 minus from 20 is remaining 4. 4 again is less than 8. So again we drop down the number in dividend, which is 1. 4 become 41.
Okay kid, tell me what should we do after drop down the number?
Sir, simply multiply 4 with the last digit in answer.
Good boy. Thank you, sir.
Now again multiply 4 with the last digit, which is 2 this time. 4 2 times is 8. 8 minus from 41 is remaining 33. 8 4 times 32. Subtract from 33 remaining 1. Drop down the last digit. Again multiply 4 with last digit. So 4 times is 16. So 16 minus from 16, it's remaining 0. So 0 less than 8, can divide it, and no digit left in dividend. So our answer is 624.
I don't know why, but this trick not work every time. I know these days everyone has a calculator in their pocket, but anyone can use this. Bro, can you solve this math question? It's really hard and difficult. I can't solve.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's correct, bro. How you learned to solve it so fast? Simply just watching Captain MK videos. Captain MK? Who is he? Captain MK is a skill learner YouTuber who learn amazing skill and teach his audience. You must subscribe him. Yeah, I subscribe now. And guys, all of you like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon to see more amazing cool skill. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I see you in the next video with a new skill. Bye.